Hi guys, today I'm with my best friend Butch and we're going to talk about a lot of things. First of all, he's going to tell about himself and then about English, and also he knows Kyrgyz and we'll be chatting about that too. Hi Butch, welcome to my channel and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Butch. It's Art, also known as Butch to my friends.
Okay.
Been living in Chicago all my life. Married, not anymore.
Okay.
My wife passed away recently. And there's not much to tell. Sheet metal worker for many years.
That's good. And how long you lived with your wife?
44 years we were married. But I knew her about 2.5 years before that. So.
44 years
Mhm.
together.
Mm-hmm.
What's your secret?
I would say giving and taking.
Giving and taking.
Mm-hmm.
You are the giver or taker?
Both.
Both.
Both, yeah.
Okay.
If you can do that,
Okay.
it'll last a long time.
And what's your advice for people who just got married or who's trying to create their own life, families, maybe? What you would say? What's your advice?
I would say sometimes you got to give things up and listen to your spouse.
That's true.
Yeah.
Right?
Never go to bed mad.
Yeah, that's true. Always forgive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And look at the big picture things. The little things don't mean nothing.
And I know
Don't find out the hard way.
That's true. Now let's move to language side, right? And I know you know two languages. One is poor English, and second, Kyrgyz language.
I know them both poor.
So sad. And then, how you know Kyrgyz? Say something.
you.
Kyrgyz.
Tulan kunin nenin.
Oh, okay.
By Chopin.
Thank you. What else? Where's your cousin?
My dosum.
That's
Kizm.
one, right?
No. Dosum
Mm-hmm.
Kism?
Yeah. That's cousin. Yep. What else?
Well, what's daughter? Isn't that Kism?
Yeah, that's the daughter.
Oh, that'd work. Yeah, dosum
Yeah.
Kim.
What else?
Hmm.
He knows a lot of Kyrgyz words, but when we're recording, he kind of nervous, or I don't know what.
I go
but
blank.
Yeah.
Blank out in front of a camera.
Yeah, that's true. How about English? Your English is poor too, right?
Very poor. Mhm.
Okay. Then I should teach you English, right?
I would wish you would. And I could teach you Kyrgyz.
Yeah, right?
I
That
don't
would be
think so.
great. That would be great. You know better than me. And what are you wearing right now? What's on your head?
Kapak
Kalpak?
and
Chapa?
Chopin.
Why are you wearing it? Or is it a gift? What is it?
Gift from Chopin.
And you know the story, right? Or it's from where?
Kyrgyzstan.
From Kyrgyzstan. Okay. It means you know where's Kyrgyzstan, right?
Yes, I do. Middle Asia.
Central Asia?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Next to Kazakhstan.
Have you been in Kyrgyzstan before?
No, but I'd like to go
You should come.
to Bishkek.
To Bishkek, yes. You know it.
Where's the other Chopin from?
She's from
South.
Osh.
Oh,
Yeah,
I was
south.
thinking, or something like that.
Yeah.
We done?